Greetings, my friend. James Jordan here, also known as the best networker alive, also known as Professor Profit, and once upon a time, the chocolate millionaire. But nonetheless, I wanted to come to you today with this video, and I want to talk about ways that you can be able to go out and fire your boss. So if you're someone that's currently working at JLB and you want to create some financial freedom and more importantly time freedom, right? Because the more time you have, the more you can get into your creative mind and get your creative juices flowing to be able to create an abundance of prosperity and wealth into your life, right? So I want to talk about one way that I feel is one of the simplest, right? And that is affiliate marketing. So you got different things out there, like direct sales business models. You have network marketing, right? That's how I discovered entrepreneurship, getting involved in my first network marketing business when I was 19 years old, right? You have affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing can be online and offline. I primarily use affiliate marketing online, right? And it's one of the simplest things that I personally use to go out and have astronomical, or what some people would seem as astronomical, days online. So if you're someone that is looking to fire their boss, you want to walk away from your 9 to 5, you want to be able to make in a day what you make in an entire month working 40 plus hours a week, right? Or maybe make in a week what you make in a day what you make in a week, right? That is all possible when you have a few things in place. Number one, you need to have some type of training and or resources that you can tap into to develop skill sets like traffic and lead generation, sales conversions, follow up processes, email marketing. These are just some of the things that pop in my mind as I'm shooting this video for you, because I don't have any notes. I'm not doing some type of presentation video. I just want to come to you raw and authentically about things that I've personally done to be able to create some awesome days online that I never would have been able to do in a job. Right, a job is not structured to be able to have those type of income days, in most jobs, right? And the type of jobs that can create these type of days require you to spend hours upon hours upon hours upon hours reaching out and cold calling people and doing all those type of things, which no one wants to do, even if you're good at it. You don't want to call someone that has no interest in what it is that you have to offer out the gate, right? So having these things in place will allow you to develop systems, right, that can be running in the background of your life while you have the potential to collect commissions, collect sales, collect clients, collect customers, because you have a marketing plan and you have a system in place. So the easiest way to be able to do that is affiliate marketing, because most of the lead work is done for you. And what you primarily need to focus on in affiliate marketing when you're marketing, promoting, and selling someone else's product, right, is the marketing aspect of it versus having to deal with the customer service, having to deal with the fulfillment, having to deal with the merchant accounts and all this different stuff. Alleviating all of that stuff allows you to focus on one particular thing primarily to be able to go out and prosper and make money, right? So I hope I've shared some value with you. Well, I know I have, but I hope that you received it. And feel free to like and share this video. Leave a comment or two if you have a question about something. Maybe you're looking to grow your business, or maybe you haven't started any type of business online yet, but you've been kind of peeking around and looking around, and you want to get some type of blueprint or game plan. I have a free 19-page ebook called the Affiliate Starters Kit that you can get access to. It's a 19-page ebook that breaks down how I had my first 5-figure month online. And it's a quick read. It's a quick study. If you're someone that's truly serious and committed about going out and hitting your goals, that blueprint will allow you to be able to execute on a game plan that can help you go out and start creating commissions, start making money online in a very short period of time, even if we never ever speak. So feel free to click the link below this video, follow steps on the next page, and then you'll be able to get access to the Affiliate Starters Kit 19-page PDF within the next few minutes afterwards. So love you, appreciate you, God bless you. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Watch me like you watch Amazon Prime, Netflix, Disney Plus, Hulu, and all those other streaming services, and watch your income grow massively. James Jordan, Best Networker Live, signing off. I will see you in the next video. Peace.